Riwruok mar lakteche ma KMPDU seyo buok mar lakteche ma Kiambu osebedo ka yudo mariembo gi tich kaluwore kod ng'anyo ma gisebedo ka gidhigo nyime. KMPDU wacho ni okang' ma kamano dhi ataro gi ratiro mag lakteche go. Jagoro maduong' ma KMPDU Jatela wacho ni kapo ni piny owacho e kaonti ma Kiambu ok bi chungo ng'anyo no, gibiro tero ng'anyo no nyaka e kaontis mamoko. Sharon Ong'aw nigi ler.
E odiechieng' mar ang'wen, lakteche mantiere bwo riwruok mar KMPDU e kaonti ma Kiambu pod dhi nyime gi ng'anyo.
Viva KMPDU, viva! Viva! Viva doctors, viva!
Viva! Jagoro maduong' mar KMPDU Jatela wacho ni ng'anyo madhi nyime en kaluwore gi dwaro mag ratich lakteche go ma osethir kod sirikand kaonti no.
This strike that we are on today as Kiambu doctors has been necessitated and forced upon the doctors by the inactiveness of the Kiambu County government. Kiambu County has not been remitting statutory deductions on time. Every single month, we have doctors stranded from seeking medical services. That payment of their salaries, as they told me, has been reduced to be an issue of benevolence. The doctors who are stagnated in Kiambu must be promoted. That doctors on sick leave are demanded to go back to work and justify why they are sick.
Riwruok mar KMPDU bende yangoni lakteche mang'anyo osebed ka ibuogo mar riembo e tich. Gino ma jagoro maduong' mar KMPDU wacho ni kik tem.
If they touch any doctor in Kiambu, it will not be safe for any doctor in Mandera. It will not be any safe for any doctor in Lamu. And we will take speedy actions to ensure that the justice is done in Kiambu. That no amount of intimidations, no amount of threats, no amount of tantrums will resolve the problems that we have put on paper.
Ng'anyo ne mano chako chieng' tich ariyo mar jumane, kaponi ok bingi wachne. KMPDU yango ni ginyalo chwale nyaka e counties mamoko.
That the strike of Kiambu County is not just for Kiambu. That if a governor wakes up or a county government wakes up and say they'll dismiss doctors, they should not think that we will go down to the atrocities that were committed in Laikipia and Kirinyaga and stand by as national leaders and watch somebody violating the very principles of the constitution that has put them in office. We shall not do that. And we want to dare to tell Kiambu County that if you want us to escalate this matter, even to a national strike, we shall do that.
Ekinde mamago timore, lakteche mawuok e kaunti ma Kakamega ochungo ng'anyo mag-gi bang' chuoko gi ogirimiti mar dok e tich gi sirikand kaunti no. Jatend jochiw thieth e kaunti no Laktar Livingstone Imbai oyango ni gichungo ng'anyo ma kamano tok chopo e winjruok gi sirikand kaunti ma Kakamega.
We have come together to solidify what we were demanding, to make sure that it has been considered and it has been put down to paper as a return to work agreement. Because we went on strike because of true problems, because of serious concerns, and it is that return to work formula agreement that will actually ensure that those issues are settled and the doctors are ready as they are going back to work. They are comfortable and motivated to continue serving.
Jalub jagoro mar riwruok mar KMPDU Laktar Dennis Miskela oyango ni lakteche go biro dok e tich e bwo seche 48 bang' chungo ng'anyo no.
The union makes us strong.
Sharon Ong'aw, Ramogi TV.